Hey Pockets. I just wanted to say real quick that what you said in this video and what you said in a couple other videos really made sense to me, especially in this video. The fact that, you know what, YouTube is so much of a new technology that it can be compared to TV in the 1950s. And you know what? There's a lot of people that are against YouTube, but I gotta say that it is in fact a great medium for connecting, and that's the point that I wanted to agree with you on. It's such a great uh, cohesive element that can be used for people that are not normally social, and I can definitely relate because that's the way I am as well. I mean, I'm very antisocial, very much a loner, but just having the ability to post these videos has made me feel so much more socially acceptable that yeah, I just want to say, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, I just really feel connected to society more so because of YouTube, and I just want to mention that. And you are absolutely right in what you've said. And again, I also want to say that you rock. I love you, my tiny wrist, or pockets, or whatever you want to be called, because you are just incredibly insightful, sharp. I mean, that's the one word I can use to describe you, is sharp. Okay, and I really admire the fact that you're a Marine too. It's part of why you cuss so much, which is okay. But, I find it funny sometimes. Anyways, have a good one. Keep posting the videos and keep eating goldfish. Yeah, do that.